Hola amigos paranormales, ¿cómo están? Aquí les tengo un nuevo video para ustedes, amigos paranormales. Ahora les voy a decir de que tengan preparado todo porque ahora sí las cosas se están volviendo interesantes. Porque ahora vamos a ver las historias de terror, las criaturas de Trevor Henderson. Y aquí les tengo las voces de algunas criaturas más aterradoras de estos momentos. Pero a ustedes les tengo las criaturas y las voces y los sonidos de las criaturas de Trevor Henderson. Vamos. Únicamente están pasando cosas extrañas un poquito, ¿no? Así que este video es para ustedes de terror, algunos sonidos y voces de las criaturas de los monstruos de Trevor Henderson. Vamos para allá.
Attack was commenced against the United States. Several major cities have been hit, including Detroit, Los Angeles, and New York City.
I know how it's all gonna end. It's just a rerun. A rerun of my favorite episode. It's a game of cat and mouse. You're the mouse. And you're gonna run and scream. They always scream. There's always parts being cut off, entrails being yanked from stomachs, bones being shattered to dust. Now, you try to hide, but I am gonna get ya. Yes.
Hello there. I am a dog. A cartoonish dog. You may remember me, but you didn't remember when I was to be your pet. I wasn't your pet anymore, but now I am your truly worst enemy.
Your flesh seems a lot to me, and someone else needs to be bitten off.
Which is you. You were the one who didn't take care of me. You weren't helpful to me or anything else like it. those little kids thinking I'm so cute, just like my cartoonish cat. But I'm not a cat, I am a dog, and I'm not a werewolf either. Which means I am a predator of a werewolf. A type of a werewolf, I suppose. The scientist got sick of repairing me. So they just left me like this way. I was an ugly dog of blackness and with white gloves with 5 fingers. You know what I did to him? I bitten all of his body parts off. You know what I did to him? I bit his torso and gave him a disease. Now he won't be repairing me ever again. Right here on this dark, cold basement, I have now a place to belong. Now, when I see you once again, you will see what happens next. When it's nighttime, you will be the monster who didn't repair me. That's all, folks.
Si el video te gustó, dale pulgar arriba, comparte con todos tus amigos. Muchas gracias por ver este video. En verdad, agradeció mucho ver este video para ustedes porque yo lo hice con mucho terror y amor. Para que ustedes ya estén inmediatamente tranquilos porque ahora el video ya acaba aquí. Ojalá que les gustó. Pronto creo que haré la invocación de la María Sangrienta. Pero eso será poco a poco, así que prepárense porque ahora sí ya va a llegar. Cuídense muy bien y hasta aquí llega el video. Adiós. Adiós a todos, cuídense mucho. Bye.